Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Fall Causebox. Yay! Let's get in here and see what I chose. If you are new to Causebox, Causebox is a seasonal lifestyle box and it comes out 4 times a year, spring, summer, fall, and winter. This is my fall box and it is $54.95. If you pay annually, it brings it down to $49.95. And Causebox says that they are an ethically minded lifestyle box. They work with companies that give back in some way, whether they work with companies that use eco-friendly products or with companies that employ people that wouldn't necessarily have jobs. They work with companies to fill the box with products that fit that lifestyle. It usually has 6 to 8 products in it, and I believe they say a value of more than $200, but I will let you know right here, and I will let you know the value of this box too, but let's get in it and see what it is. I am an annual member with Causebox, so I got to do the 3 customization choices that they offer, but they only offer them if you are an annual. If you are seasonal, they select the products that will be in your box. Okay, let me just open this and then, oh, it's so pretty. Let me show you guys. It's very heavy. I can't remember what's in here that is so heavy this season, but that is what it looks like on the inside. It's so pretty. And they hire an artist that designs the artwork for the boxes each season, so it's usually really pretty. And inside, we have our book. And this is the Causebox Fall Book, and it is a nice pamphlet because generally they tell us what the companies that are in the box are doing as their give back story. So just a couple of pages in, we have all of the products that we're gonna have in the box, and that is what that looks like. And I will tell you as we go through the customizations what I chose and what the other option was. All right, opening this right up, I will show you. This is what it looks like when you open it. So it makes for a great presentation too. And right on top we have each season we receive a postcard in the artwork that was done by the same artist that did the box. And this just represents the artwork. And the artist this season was Cynthia Kittler. And I suspect the artwork represents women helping women. So that's fantastic. Okay, let's dig right in. Tucked right here in this corner, I have the Green Company reusable cotton rounds. This was a tough choice. This is what this looks like. And I couldn't decide. I have some of these because those of you who watch the channel know I love Daily Concepts. So I have a few of these that are the Daily Concepts brand, so I couldn't decide which to go with, but somebody said below in one of the comments on one of the spoilers that they were getting these, and what they are the cotton rounds to use for toner, and I thought that is such a great idea to use them in ways that will save cotton balls and cotton pads, and wow, these are so much softer than the Daily Concept ones. These are like a terry. I hope you guys can see that. They're just like a terry cloth. And they're kind of white with the mint trim. There are 10 of them, and one side seems super soft, and the other side just seems soft. But they're both soft. Neither one of them is rough. And they come with this nice bag that you can either keep them in or put them in for laundering. I will probably keep them in here until I use them because I have big lingerie type bags that I got from my Grove Collaborative that I keep all of my face wash and that type things in so that I wash them separately from the rest of the laundry. So I will probably keep these in there, and then as I use them, move them into that bag. Let me tell you a little bit about what the paperwork says though. This is a set of 10 reusable facial rounds, replaces up to 12,000 cotton balls or facial rounds. Included laundry bag makes washing easy, and it was a $10 value. The other thing you could have gotten in this category, and you got to choose if you were an annual, was the Buzzy Seeds Basil Grow Kit. And it's an Herb Garden 101. Freshen up margarita pizza or mix up your go-to salad greens with homegrown basil. And they say it also had a $10 value. When I did my spoilers, had a lot of people put in the comments that they had actually seen this in the dollar spot at Target for just $1 to $3. So just for the record, those basil kits, if you didn't select them for this, are out there. So that is our first product. Reaching in next, and I selected this one too, I have the towels. These are Baffin towels, and they are 100% cotton, and I chose them in charcoal. And what you received with this set is 2 hand towels, and this is the size, and see, it's a pretty charcoal and a nice waffle weave. So you got 2 of the hand towels, and then you got 2 of the bath towels. Now, The internet was all a Twitter about these products because apparently, and this happened after a lot of people made their selections, if you wash in hot or if you dry these, I know, who doesn't dry bath towels? They shrink. Now they say that is inherent in the waffle fabric, but how many people want to hang dry bath towels? Not me. So I will probably use them for decorative purposes. They are good size though. I will show that in hopes that you are seeing in the camera how big this is. It is a really good size. So I will probably use them, there by Bathin, as decorative towels in my guest bathroom. They feel really nice. They're soft and just cottony. The other choice in this category, and I'll read to you in a second, was a bathrobe. And it was in the same fabrication, and you could choose these in mint or charcoal. Okay, this says Bathin, waffle towel set in mint or charcoal. Also unbelievably cozy and superbly soft. Includes 2 bath towels and 2 hand towels. $90 value. Would I pay $90 for this set in front of me? Not even a little bit of a chance. Nope. Personally, I probably wouldn't even pay half that. So while I will use these, and I'm happy to have them in my box, this is not something that I would purchase for this value. The bathrobe also had a $90 value, and like the towels, it was available in mint or charcoal. It says, could end up being your work from home, WFH, catches me every time, work from home uniform. And let me show you, here are the 2 colors. That is the towels in both the charcoal and the mint. Okay, moving on. Reaching in next, I have serum, face serum, brightening, and it says it's a marula, black currant, and carrot. That is what the box looks like. Let's take this out of here. I think I read up on this when I saw it was going to be on the box, and I can't use it, so I'm not going to open it, but that is what the front looks like. And let me read to you about it. I think everyone got this in their box. Yes, this is Way of Will Brightening Face Serum for a healthy, dewy glow. Fights free radicals and hydrates the skin, made with vitamins A and C. $37.50. And if you watch the channel, you know I avoid both vitamins A and C. With my super sensitive skin, they are both very irritating to my skin, so I will slip this in a giveaway. But I have used Way of the Will products in the past, and I enjoy their products. Reaching in next, I have a Tribe Alive, and I happen to know that this is a bracelet. So let's take it out. I read online that the sizes in these were variable, and some people were having a hard time getting them on. I don't have large wrists, but I don't have small wrists either, so we will see how this goes. It is very pretty. That is what it looks like, and it's just kind of a coppery rose gold. It's very pretty. Let me tell you what it says about it. I did choose this. My choice was between this, which is the rose gold crisscross cuff, a stylish bangle featuring an intricate crisscross design with a $42 value. I could have chosen the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, a post-workout delight with pepper and ginger, $39 value, or the Volum Love Scrub, the secret to glowing radiant skin exfoliation. Show your skin some love, $56 value. That had products in it I couldn't use. And this was so pretty, and I thought if it wasn't perfect for me, my daughter loves rose gold, so she might like it. So it is definitely not going on my wrist like this. I saw somebody online say, don't even try and put it on like that. Go on over your hand, because these are so pointy, they hurt. Let's see if I can get it on. I can get it on. Here's hoping I can get it off when the time comes. It's gonna get, okay, yeah, okay, it fits. I was a little nervous after doing some of the reading that I saw online from people getting their boxes, and I even have play in it. So it is very pretty once you have it on. I like it a lot. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on because it is very pretty. And like I said, there's plenty of play in it. So I would suggest if you have this and you've tried getting it in like you do with most bangles over your wrist, because you guys watched me only try a couple of times. I don't know if you can see the dents that put in my hand. It's so pointy. Definitely just do your hand as small as you can and work it on this way. Works way better. Next, I have teas, and I chose this too, and it is a glass tumbler. And again, if you watch the channel, you know I love tea. I do the Sips by Teas. I drink a lot of teas, and this is what we're gonna get into and see. Let me get into it and I'll be right back. Well, that was super easy. There just wasn't even much to do except for slide it out of the box. This is what it looks like. And it's got a gold, this kind of feels like the outside of sweatpants, and I suspect the inside is more like a neoprene. Let's see. Oh, it slides off pretty easily. Yeah, and it has kind of a neoprene feel on the inside so it won't slide off. And then this is what it looks like. So it's double walled, and you can see up here, and I will take it out, nice bamboo top, that it has a diffuser. And you can just put your teas in it to diffuse it. So you put your tea in here, you just put it down in, and then you can put your hot water over it. Then once it's done diffusing, you can take it out and you have a nice hot tea to go. You could use this for anything. You could use it for like fruits. You could put fruit in here and leave it in. I just knew this would get used at my house. It's a nice pretty leaf up top, and it says teas at the bottom. I think that's cute. Okay, well, let's read about it. This is Teas Tea Glass, a 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler. A convenient and easy way to brew. And in case I didn't tell you, you can probably hear it's glass. Used for tea, coffee, or fruit infusion. So if you had a chunkier grind on your coffee, you could kind of treat it like a pour over. That's an interesting thought. And this has a $39 value. The other choice that you had in this category was from Artisan Direct, and that's the same people, by the way, that made the bracelet. And it is a Milky Way lantern. It's written in the stars. Insert a tea candle, not included, and light up the night. And that had a $40 value. This is what that looked like. All right, we have one last product, and this was in everyone's box, and it is by Core, and it is a bamboo set. Now, when they told us about it, they showed a lot of charcuterie on it and said that we could use it for like cheese plates and that kind of thing, and it is a great size. Can you guys see how big that is? I don't think I will choose to use it like that. I have some really nice charcuterie boards, but individually, I will use all of these pieces. I love bamboo, and I love the size. This is a great size of the cutting board. And then the tongs and a nice spatula set. Let me read to you about it, but I'm sure the beauty is how renewable bamboo is. Core Bamboo Serve Set. Prep and serve using this set made from one of the most renewable resources in the world, bamboo. And they say it has a $35 value. Okay, so that was the Fall 2020 Causebox. I liked it. I'm an annual, so I paid $49.95 for it. Is it worth that for me? For me, it is. I will absolutely use the bamboo. I will love this tea infuser, and it had a $35 value. The bracelet is very pretty, and I will probably wear it. I will pass along the serum. We have the towel set, which I will use. I just won't use it for day-to-day towels. And we have the cotton rounds, which I will absolutely use. Let me know below, what do you think? Do you think that this is worth $49.95, or if you're seasonal, $54.95. Cards on the table, this wasn't their best box. We knew right from the beginning of the season that they were struggling. They were having a hard time sourcing and the supply chain. Even the bracelet. This kind of thing is usually made for Tribe Alive in Honduras, but because of the COVID, they had such strict lockdowns that they couldn't get this made there, so they ended up having it made in India. Sourcing this wasn't as easy as many of the boxes in the past. I think it's slightly reflected, but that said, I still like and will use all of these products except the serum, which has nothing to do with them. That's just because I can't use vitamin C on my face. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.